Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about one use case of the type ahead block, like creating a new record using this type ahead block in OmniScript. So I have already created several tutorials on this type ahead block. Please go through those videos. I'll be just attaching those video references in this video description. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I have already created this type ahead block, right? And I have just one data mapper extract, like it will just retrieve an account record based on the search, and I will be just showing how it works currently. So in the accounts type ahead search, I can just search for an account like Acme, and I can just select one of the account, and if I click on this pencil icon, this edit icon, and I can see that there are several elements are there, like name, ID, which is in read only, and industry fields are getting populated, and I have already created those, like extract data mapper. That's why we are just getting this account search result. And we can see this new action button is there in this search. Like whenever we are try to click on this new button, new link, so a new record will be created. So to work this new action, new button in action, so we need to make some configurations. Some little bit enhancement needs to be done, right? And if I click on this new button, it will just search ask for this name, industry. So I'll be just adding that functionality. I'll be just adding one data mapper load, so that after filling up this name and industry, that account record can be created, and we can just search from this type ahead search for that record as well. So as of now, I have these configurations. Like in this type ahead block properties, I have added this type ahead key. In the type ahead key, I have added that name. And in new item level, if I just, for your reference, if I just remove this new uh, text from this new item level, and if I just preview this one, then we can't find that new action button in that area, right? So this is how we can just hide that new action link, but we need that for our demo. I'll be just adding that one. So new item level, and there is a help text, like permit users to add new entry when using the type add block. By default, user can only choose from the list of values, right? So and let me just add one data mapper post data raptor post action outside of this type add block, and I'll be just naming this like create new account. And field level, I can just copy and paste this one, and let me just create a new data raptor or data mapper. Create new account for type ahead block. So I'll be just clicking on OK, and this should redirect me to the that Omni Studio data raptor. And in the object, I should need to select this account, and I have several tutorials for this data mapper or data raptors as well, so please check those videos definitely. And after selecting this object, we need to select the fields that we want to map with. And I'll be just, since we are just created the data mapper directly from the OmniScript interface, so that OmniScript JSONs got automatically transmitted into this input JSON of this data mapper. And for now, I can just click on this quick match, and under this quick match we can just click on this auto match. So after clicking is auto match, we can see that we can just map those fields. Like in my case, what are those fields? Like name and industry was there. ID will be automatically generated whenever a record will be created, so I can just remove that mapping from this auto match, and I will be just click on the save. And we can see that in this input JSON, it got the JSON like in step one. So step one is this API name of our step element, then type ahead block dash block, then colon industry. So this is how we can just simply get the input path for the industry field that we have added as a text. And we need to map with the industry field of the account object. So in the domain object field, we need to select the specific industry field. So this is how we can just leverage this quick match and auto match to quickly create this type of data mapper mappings. So in the preview we can just also create that account record. For example, if I just for testing purpose, if I provide the value like I can just remove this id one, and the name, since account name is mandatory field, so we can just provide the name as well, like test name data mapper, and execute. And we can see that this account got created. And if I click this one, so we can see that this account record got created from that data mapper load. So our data mapper load is working as per our expectations. So I can just close it out. And data mapper interface, I can provide the update the label as like new account. So I can just sort it with little bit. And the main thing is that in the type ahead properties we can just make it in edit mode, or we can just click on this pencil icon to make it edit mode, so that we can just find those fields uh, directly. So if I click on this preview, and if I search for an account, like if I search for a new account, like, so we can't find this account, right? This Delhi SEC is not there, so I can just click on this new, and we can put this name like Delhi SEC. And in the industry I can just put like agriculture. And if I just click on this new account button, that is like our data mapper will be called, that data mapper post actions will be invoked on clicking on this button. If I click on this, and we can see that this account drid account, this account record got created, right? And if I see from the action debugger, we can see that we are getting this account id as well. So we are getting this account id as the response of the data mapper. So, and if I just preview this one, just refresh this one, and just want to check from this type ahead search, and if I search for Delhi, we can find this account record, right? If I select this one, and we can see that this account record got selected. And so this is how we can just simply use this new action button feature in the type ahead block element. And so this is how we can add this action or enhancement to the type ahead block. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics, so please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thank you.